Hi, I'm Allison Felix, and I'm here at SDSU's 4th Annual Women in Entrepreneurship and Leadership event.
Every day come with just this attitude that I'm gonna achieve. Doesn't matter if I'm a lady, doesn't matter if he's a man, doesn't matter how old I am, doesn't matter any of that stuff. I'm here to achieve and I'm gonna succeed.
We have an amazing day planned for our students and the community at large today. We have a morning session of emerging business leaders, some very brave entrepreneurs and fast-growing companies, and some very reputable large corporations. Beginning at noon, we have 2 hours of workshops where students can get both inspired as well as some really good skill sets on how to brand themselves, to market themselves. We have Allison Felix, most decorated female track and field athlete in history. And then she's followed by an all-star team of women executives.
This is for you, and it's about how to transition from undergraduate, graduate into entering the business world.
It was just really inspiring and really kind of reassuring as a young leader and entrepreneur myself that it's totally possible, and it makes it just kind of come full circle and kind of feel real.
Anyone could benefit from that, whether you're a man, woman, any field you're wanting to go into. Like, these are just people trying to help you succeed in the future, and so they have a lot to offer anyone on this campus and anyone in this community.
I think it's so important for us to get in front of young women now and help them understand what they need to succeed and help them set their mindset the right way. Really critical that this next generation coming in knows we haven't solved it. We need them to solve it. We need them to help us get there. And so it has to be a collaborative effort, and that's one of the reasons why I'm here, is to say, hey, come with us.
Had a great time. The students' questions were spot on at the end. Everybody's so dedicated in wanting to get ahead in their careers and just really hunger for the how do I get there. It was fun to be part of the panel with a group of other really dynamic women.
Break down those barriers. I want to change that for the next generation, and it's a massive task to take on.
You've got to show me who you are. Show me what about you makes you special, is the missing piece of my team.
To show up as myself is really important because it gives other people a little bit more permission to show up as themselves as well.
And we have to start there. We have to have these conversations. We have to continue to move forward and talk about some of these things that might be difficult because that's the only way that we can step outside of our comfort zone and create change.
It's up to all of us to help make that change, and I think it's an exciting time so that we can really push things forward in this space.
I'm so excited to see what you're gonna do. I mean, you guys are, you're the next generation, and I think we're in really great hands.